It started with a brush stroke. That beautiful simplicity in Japanese calligraphy, the line that goes from heavy and disappears to nothing, a kind of infinite point of zero. This is what we tried to capture in a very elemental way in this collection.
I'm so proud to introduce the world to the new Okamura Traverse satellite table. As you can see, it's beautiful, it's elegant. It has a lot of the same elements as Traverse, a slightly different design style, but in the family of Traverse, which of course we designed in collaboration with Okamura. It was a Neocon Gold Award winning, beautiful conference table that was more for the main boardroom. Conference tables are changing a lot in the work environment, and the idea behind Satellite was to be able to introduce conferencing, both formal and informal, in the Traverse collection. The tables have a beautiful aesthetic, but they can be placed in the open plan in lounge areas, as well as small and medium-sized conference rooms. And they can really enhance the collaborative environments of the corporate workplace or education or any market where clients are collaborating and trying to get great work done together.
We're inspired by calligraphy and the idea of simplicity, the very thin line of the tabletop extending to a knife edge, and then the heavier strokes of the legs. And the kind of beauty of the simplicity in this has to come out in the materiality. So we've got the extruded aluminium legs, which connect to the frame, so it becomes one very stable entity. But then again, to preserve that very thin line of the tabletop and keeping it as thin as possible, we're very careful to leave enough space around the tables, yet to have that cantilever soaring past the edge of the frame. This is the glass top variation, which you'll see has a very beautiful sharp edge just supporting the glass. Then we have also Corian laminate veneer tops as well, which of course is embedded with cable management, which takes everything from the tabletop down to the legs to the floor without seeing any cables. And even though it doesn't look like this cable management, it's in there. The ports are accessed from the top. They're accessed from two sides, so that it's very comfortable for someone to plug in from either side, so it isn't a one-directional system.
Rainlight, our design studio based in London and Los Angeles, collaborated very closely with the Okamura design and engineering team on Satellite. Okamura took what we had designed and made it that much better.